9-12 on the season. He's had 25 starts, 144 in a third innings.
Colby rocks to the wind, the 2-2 pitch. Got him swinging. There goes Kendrick, and the pitch is skied shallow to left field line. Long run over for Robertson. Daniel there, though, make the catch, and that'll do it. And call strike 3. Back to the plate, and Calgill hits a chopper out towards short. Sardinius the short way to Rodriguez. And he lines one to right. Going back, Leonis Martin reaches up.
That ball was hit.
And makes the catch. It's this one to right field. Michael Choice almost dead in his tracks. Colby started into the windup. Now he starts again, and Calgill a swing and a miss. Right center field. Over and in. Leonis Martin makes the catch and to the plate. He hammers this to center field. Leonis Martin retreating with room in front of the track. He is gone on strikes here, Colby. And then some fundamental execution. Long run in for Daniel Robertson, and in fair territory, able to make the catch.